What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to the Breckenridge Skate Park, and in today's video, we're skating. It's gonna be sick. So Cody, you got your skateboard? I got my skateboard, and I think we're gonna rip today. If you guys are wondering why it doesn't look like a skateboard, it's because, is it a skateboard? I don't know. It's a folding skateboard. And just like that, I guess now we can skate.
Smooth.
All right, try and keep up, Cody. Dude, it's ripping.
Oh!
All right, now that we kind of messed around with this for a second, because I haven't rode this thing since I was like 11. Let's talk about it. So this is the Snowboard, and I believe it came out in like 2001. I got it when I was like 9-10 years old, and I can't find anything about it online other than John Hill made a couple of videos on the Snowboard. My uncle got it for me when I was young, and I thought it was the raddest thing because I could always have a skateboard with me. I would fold up my backpack, take it to church, take it to school, and then be able to pull it out and ride it whenever I wanted to skate. Now the way this thing folds up, it's pretty rad. It's got this little release thing right here. The tail will then fall back. I always come and unhook right here. Then the front will fold in, boom, and then bam, now you got a skateboard. Now this thing's maybe 5 pounds. It's not that heavy, but it's not that cumbersome. So imagine my back, if you threw that in a backpack, like, not bad, you know, it sits a little low, and at any moment you can just like, wha-cha! Oh, skate time.
Clean.
And it was more clean, Cody, when it didn't sit and rust and get old in a shed for decades. Surprised it actually still rips as good as it's riding. If you go watch John Hill's, his looks brand new. Mine is beat up because I actually did ride the crap out of this thing. When I say that I was a good skater when I was younger, I'm not talking about this guy, but definitely probably needs new bearings and everything, but I wasn't gonna fix it all up for this video. So when you ride it, you put your foot in this basket, and because of this like tensioner, which allows it to fold but then gives it strength and stiffness, it's actually more comfortable if you have your foot up high than far back, because obviously you have a weak point in the board right here. So you're gonna have your lead foot up front, and then you just set your back foot here. Now you can push on the tail and do manuals and all kinds of stuff. So like you can do some types of skateboard tricks, and I did a kick turn and whatnot, but let's be real, this thing kind of came out, I don't want to say before longboards, but before longboards got super popular. And so I really believe this thing was kind of designed to cruise some trails. So let's hit the bike path. We got a bike path like right there. Let's see if we can take this thing 55 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Ooh. So imagine ollieing this. All right, Cody, try and keep up.
Okay.
The double basket grab. I'm not gonna lie, for being as old as it is, it's moving well. It's not like a Walmart skateboard. Now this is what I really think the Snowboard was designed and meant for, is cruising, bombing, getting from one place to the other place, not meant to like trick or do anything. It's funny, normally I'd be so scared to be bombing a hill on a board like this, but because of all the summer board videos, this speed is now comfortable for me on a skateboard, as dumb as that sounds. That was a fun little bomb. We gotta go back to the skate park though. But dude, it rips for a folding skateboard. Tell me you're not impressed, Cody.
I'm so impressed. It's kind of like I went to the skate park with Damon the other day, and he was trying so hard to get me to ride his scooter, and I was like, no, this isn't the thing I'm gonna get broke off on. It's kind of how that's not the thing I'm getting broke off on, you know?
Yeah. Once again, I've had this forever, and I've like, since I started the YouTube channel, I was like, it'd be cool to like show people this. And I actually put a little poll on Instagram. I was like, hey, if anyone knows what this is, I'll give them a sticker. And 4 people knew what the Snowboard was, which blew my mind. Because once again, if you search this online, like, you're not finding anything about it. So let's get back to the skate park. I think I could drop in on it. Sounds terrifying, but let's give it a shot.
Bike coming in hot.
Oh, really hot. There's a speed limit, dude.
Jeez.
This might be my new airport travel skateboard, you know, Cody?
Why can't you just take a skateboard to the airport?
He's already so mad at rock Heelys all the time. Big kicks, you know, going uphill now.
Get that B-rolls. For anyone that wants to know what it's like to work for Johnathan, he texted me this morning and said, hey, meet me at the skate park. I got a video idea. And then just shows up on a basket.
A little basket for my feet.
A little shopping cart.
All right, we got to drop in a bit. I bet we can get a manual trick too.
Where are you dropping in at?
So we're going to drop in here, but we're going to save this. Let's try and get a manual real quick. Do you think I can make the start look cool?
No. You're off to a good start. Okay.
What noise was that?
Is that
This handle. It's nice. I tail dragged. Give me a rebate.
That's about what I was expecting.
Here we go.
Oh.
I think I busted it. I had 2 of these and one of the cone wheels separated, and it might be in my head that it's separating. Let's drop in on it. I'm counting that last one. See, the reason why I should be nervous is I'm not. I'm like, dude, I got this. That's why I should be terrified. Whoa! Yeah.
Yeah.
We got that. If I did break it, I'm going to be sad. No, I'm a lot heavier than I used to be.
It's a big dude.
I'll tell you what, if anybody that's watching this video has a snowboard, hit me up. I would love to have one of these for Roman. And now it's making a weird noise. I definitely could take these wheels off though and investigate what's really going on. There's literally spider webs in this tail. I tell you, it's just sitting in the garage. Anyways, if anyone still has a snowboard, they want to get rid of it, I'll take it. Email me, link in the description. So we dropped in on it. We did a manual. We cruised it.
The only thing you haven't done is get this thing in the air.
Fair enough.
Oh, early grab.
Yeah, I grabbed the little handle. Let me run that back now that I know what I want to do. Oh! Is it sick?
It was really cool.
Now, hypothetically, if we learn to jump this really good, it does have a little slide plate, a little grind plate. You know, we could begin some board slides out here, you know? Oh! Let me ride down this. Oh, son, we ripped.
Gonna bottom out. Oh.
Hypothetically, it should slide.
Theoretically.
This is a dumb idea. We just got to get it to not move. You think that's why these rocks are here?
Yeah, that looks more solid. Oh.
If it didn't move?
Yeah.
If
they would have built it better.
It's directional. It's possible, man. We're just fighting all the odds of...
You're fighting some physics.
We defy physics on this channel. Oh, so I'm counting it. We board slid the snowboard. It's gonna be a finger jammer or the coolest thing of all time.
That was dope.
Alright guys, probably a short, sweet video. I really just wanted to share a piece of my childhood with you and let you guys know we rip anything, you know, like a snowboard. So with that, Team Up Gals, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome videos, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.